TurboLearn AI, the ultimate study companion. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into TurboLearn AI, that is an innovative tool designed to streamline studying and make exam prep, quizzes, assignments a breeze. This AI-powered platform helps students study more effectively by generating instant notes, creating flashcards, and summarizing key content from uploaded materials. Let's take a closer look at how it works. Once you log into TurboLearn AI, you will be greeted with a user-friendly dashboard that offers 3 upload options: PDFs, YouTube links, and audio files. So simply choose the format that works best for you. For example, if you upload a PDF document, so I'm going to click on this and pick up a PDF document to upload. So if you upload a PDF document regardless of its length, TurboLearn will analyze and condense it into a shortened, easy-to-read summary. A 75 to 80 page document can be reduced up till 15 to 20 pages, focusing on key concepts, understanding diagrams, and structure points to enhance the understanding and retention. The notes are visually appealing and well organized, making it easier to review and absorb information quickly. Now, over here, what you can do is you can also enable flashcards. So one of TurboLearn's standout features is its ability to automatically generate flashcards. So based on the uploaded content, these customized flashcards highlight important details and reinforce essential topics, making them an ideal tool for revision and exam preparation. And to further improve learning, TurboLearn includes a quiz mode where students can test their knowledge and track their progress in an engaging way. These features help identify strengths and areas that need more focus. And for students who rely on recorded lectures or audio files, can simply use TurboLearn's AI-driven transcription tools, which provides a full text transcript, ensuring every detail is captured. So this eliminates the hassle of taking notes manually and ensures nothing is overlooked during study session. Got a question while studying? So TurboLearn AI can help you answer the question. So there is a built-in chat assistant that acts as a virtual tutor, providing detailed explanation and instant answers to clarify doubts. So for those who prefer not to sit down for long YouTube lectures, TurboLearn has an excellent video summarization feature by which you can simply paste the link and the AI will extract the questions and extract this summary and key points, helping you grasp the main concepts in less time. And TurboLearn offers budget-friendly subscription plans to accommodate different learning needs. Whether you opt for monthly or annual plan, you'll gain full access to all features. The pricing page clearly outlines the benefits of each plan, making it easy to choose the right option. More than just a study tool, TurboLearn AI is a complete learning assistant that simplifies note-taking, creating effective flashcards, summarized videos, and offers personalized support. By integrating AI-powered automation, it makes studying smarter, faster, and more productive. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.